Annyeonghaseyo everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn about some daily useful verbs in Korean language. But make sure you like our page and subscribe our YouTube channel. Now let's go. Number 1. 오다, which is also means to come. Let's take an example. 많이는 저녁 먹으러 저희 집에 오세요. 많이는 저녁 먹으러 저희 집에 오세요. Which is also means come over to my house for a nice dinner. Here, mani means delicious, noon means topic particles, 저녁 means dinner, 먹으러 means to eat, 저희 means we, 집 house, and 오세요 come. Number 2. 먹다, which is also means to eat. Okay, let's take an example. 저는 하루에 3끼를 먹습니다. 저는 하루에 3끼를 먹습니다. Which is also means I ate 3 meals a day. Number 3. Khada, which is also means to go. Let's take an example. 저는 학교에 가요. 저는 학교에 가요. Which is also means I go to school. Number 3. Fiora, which is also means to learn. Let's take an example. 초등학생들이 컴퓨터를 배우고 있습니다. Which is also means the elementary school students are learning a computer. Number 5. Khada, to sleep. Now let's take an example. 매일 저가도 8시라운 자야 합니다. Which is also means you should sleep at least 8 hours every day. Okay everyone, this much for today. I hope you have understand about some verbs, useful verbs in Korean.